Hello everyone. In our last video, we have seen how to read a file where we have single line and multiple lines, right? In this video, we'll see how to write a file, right? So we'll do the same with open. I'm saying maybe testing one. I'll say just say a W, right? So now as F, I'll say W dot write. We also have write and write lines like what we have read and read lines. We'll also see both. So here I can pass the text. Hi, this is Teja, right? Now let me see if the file got created here or not. So the file name is testing1, right? So where is this testing1, right? We didn't pass any extension, right? So let me say .txt. I mean the type of the file, I mean, right? Right, testing1.txt. Did you see? Let me open this. It must be open here. Okay, right? This is Teja. Clear? So now we'll see how the write lines works, right? So what I'll do is I'll create a list, right? Vishwa. I'll tell you why I'm creating a list, right? So now instead of write, I'll say write lines. So now in the in my list I have three different values. So each value will go in a new line, right? We'll see how to do that. So I need to say I can use list comprehensives here, right? So I can say I for I in L, right? This is testing one, right? This is testing one just created. Yeah. Did you see? But it's not in multiple lines. It's a single lines, right? So we should explicitly say something like this, right? So was string formatting slash n. Okay. So I need to say some separator here. Yeah. Now if I go and see here, now it's in a new line, right? And now you may think, boss, I can write the same inside just a write. You can't do that, right? So though it's write lines, right, we should still specify the new line slash n here, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. We have seen how write and write lines works, right? In our next video, we'll talk about appending a data to a file. So till then, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.